So today's repair is gonna be a water pump timing belt replacement on this 2006 Hyundai Tucson. Customer's original complaint was that the car was overheating because it was low on antifreeze. It was low on antifreeze as a result of a water pump that's leaking. In this car, like in many others, the water pump is belt driven. In this case, is driven by the timing belt. So in order to replace the water pump, have to remove the timing belt. So at that point, might as well replace the belt, pulley and tensioner, and all those things. So I'm gonna remove the serpentine belt. Get the belt this out of the way. Just gonna pull it out of there completely. So I have to remove this power steering pump. Looks like it might only have 2 bolts holding it, and this little bracket that has a 10mm bolt right here and a 10mm bolt right there. So we'll remove those first. The belt is actually stuck right there between the tensioner and the side of the engine right there, which is no big deal. I'm gonna remove the tensioner anyway. The power steering pump looks like it's held by a 14mm bolt up here, and then there's one right across. You can access it through the hole right here of the pulley. I believe it's a 14mm. It is a 14. Oh, it's like way in there. Yes, that is a 12mm bolt. I'm gonna remove the bottom one. We have the tensioner out. Okay, my next move is gonna be removing this motor mount bracket. Then I'm gonna jack up the car, remove the passenger front wheel, and I'm going to remove the bolt that's holding the crankshaft pulley and remove the rest of that timing belt cover. I need to remove this plastic though. Come on. There it is. It's loose. So the dipstick, it's attached to this bracket I'm trying to remove, and it's held by a 12mm bolt right here on the side. So I'm going to remove the water pump now, which is held by 12mm bolts. Okay, basically I'm at the point where I'm just scraping off the old gasket. The time-consuming part is cleaning, making sure that the surface is pretty clean for this to go back on there. A little tip here, I'm going to leave this loose because I need to slide the belt under this pulley. So I'm pretty much done here. I need to put back this motor mount bracket, and that's basically it. I forgot to mention earlier when I removed the power steering pump, there's this little connector that goes like right over here. I don't know if it's like some sort of like pressure switch or something. Goes right on the power steering pump.